My childhood was very sort of traumatic. So throughout all of that, school was actually my safe space. I could have friends, I could have joy. After I completed my 12th grade, there was an interruption in my own education. And at that time, there was pressure to get married. But I was very lucky because my aunt Mahe, she prevented that happening in my life and took me under her wing. She kind of stood like a rock behind me saying, yes, you can. And I ended up restarting my education. And at the age of 21, I went to London School of Economics, which completely changed the trajectory of my life. I started my journey in the nonprofit world in San Francisco. I ended up working in Ecuador, Mexico, Bolivia, South Africa, and it became the seed for Educate Girls.